The goose, belonging to the family Anatidae, is a waterfowl known for its distinctive honking sound and migratory behavior. Geese are characterized by their long necks, webbed feet, and sturdy bodies. They inhabit various habitats, including lakes, rivers, and marshes, displaying adaptability to diverse environments. Geese are social birds, often forming large flocks, and are recognized for their strong family bonds. Migratory geese undertake impressive journeys, flying thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. They play a vital role in ecosystems by influencing vegetation and contributing to nutrient cycling. Geese are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, grains, and aquatic plants. They also have cultural significance in folklore and traditions across different societies. Overall, geese are fascinating creatures that contribute to the ecological balance and cultural richness of their surroundings.